go.
Hey.
Hey.
As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to tell you, just in case you don't know. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
We're in a taxi.
We are.
And why are we in a taxi?
Because we're on our way to Phillipsburg for an excursion.
A special adventure. Another
Yes.
one. Oh my gosh. Are you ready for that?
We are going on a boat. We're headed over to Prickly Pear and Anguilla.
Oh, you gave it up already. Sorry, there's a little bug flying around.
But we're going to take you guys with us. We have not done this one before, so not entirely sure what to expect. We've been to Prickly Pear.
Mm-hmm.
We've been on something similar, but this is on a new boat, so we'll have to see what happens here.
Yeah, excited.
Here
Come
we
with
go.
us.
Sit over the bridge.
So we made it to Bobby's Marina here in Phillipsburg, and we're checked in at Eagle Tours, just waiting on our departure time at 9 o'clock. All right, so we were sitting here waiting on our boat to show up.
Wait.
What?
We have special guests.
We do have special guests,
We do.
but we've got Daniel and Sandra.
Sandra?
Sandra
Yes.
from Southern Utah.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
We were just sitting here waiting for our boat, and we saw them. We were asking them, are you on our boat? And they're like, no, we're on Billy Bones. And they looked at us and like, we're on Billy Bones because of you.
Correct. That's correct. Yeah.
Tell their story.
Yeah, why don't you tell your story?
Yeah.
We booked on the Queen Elizabeth cruise, and we were stopping here, and we wanted to find something to do, and we found their video, and their Billy Bones tour seems awesome, so we booked it. We're about to start. We haven't started yet. But
Yeah, check their channel. They have a lot of information if you want to travel the islands. That's what we did. And now we're here enjoying a beautiful day. We found them. That was a plus.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, it's been awesome so far.
it's
And
a happy coincidence. So we have
yeah.
to.
And you know, Corey and I were like, oh my God, I'll have a good time. You know?
so check them out, subscribe, and you guys are going to enjoy the channels.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Yeah.
And to you tour operators out there, hit us up. If we like your, we're going to give our honest review no matter what.
Yeah.
But if we like your tour, folks like these might see it.
Yeah. Check it out.
Yeah, do it.
We're still sitting here. Our tour said that check-in starts at 8:15, and that we were supposed to be boarding at 9, right? Or
Yes.
it starts at 9,
It's 9:20.
and it's 9:26, and
Well, we were the only ones checked in.
yeah, we were the only ones checked in. They said they were waiting on everyone else, so it must have been waiting for the cruise ship that docked at 9 o'clock. So not sure exactly when we're going to get started here, but we're still waiting. So. So
Here we go.
here we go. We're pulling away from the dock at 9:54.
I'm all lathered up and shiny and ready. Oh, you got some dancing going on up there? Oh, it's okay.
Missed it. Not sure what he was doing up there, but
Yeah,
Yeah.
not sure. Maybe it's a ritual dance or something.
so they do have an open bar. They've got Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite,
Everybody signed the waiver form.
a bunch of other things. They've got rum punch. They've got rum, vodka, tequila, gin, and some fruit juices,
Yeah.
water, so
Take a look at it.
and Coors Light and Carib.
Yes.
So you've got basically a full bar, pretty much anything other than a frozen drink you would want, and it's an open bar. So
And just this is off topic, but we've never actually used this company or this
yep,
shit or boat. It's not really a ship.
This,
boat before. So,
excursion company.
Yeah.
We haven't been on this boat before,
so I'm excited to check out and do something new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and we have been on a tour very similar to this
Yes.
many years ago. So should be interesting. Can't wait. It's been a long time since we've been to Prickly Pear.
Yes, that's true.
Probably 10 years minimum. No,
Yeah.
like 15. So, all
Better
right,
get your spot. People are starting here.
here we go.
Oh, man.
Norwegian Epic over there. I think most of the passengers on this boat are from that ship. But there's also the Queen Elizabeth from Cunard Lines back behind the Epic. Out somewhere. Probably Prickly Pear, but really crowded up there.
Hi guys, my name is Samir. Welcome to St. Maarten.
All right. Samir's taking care of us today, getting us drinks. And like Lori said, he's a good looking one on board.
A handsome one, baby. Yeah, for the airplanes, that's basically why it's the popular beach. Sometimes when they're 2 to 4.
So we are officially sailing. There are no motors or anything like that, and this is when I get a little motiony sicknessy. So I had to kind of sit up, and I'm looking straight ahead. For those of you that do get a little bit of motion sickness, look at the horizon. It's always straight, and it's always there. Yeah, so I'll do it okay though. Drinking water.
So we're past St. Maarten, between St. Maarten and Anguilla. You can see Anguilla out there in the distance. We're headed to that little deserted island up ahead. It's called Prickly Pear. And nobody lives on the island, but they do have some little huts set up where they serve lunch, or at least that's the way it was 15 years ago, the last time we were here. So it's probably going to be the same today. There is Prickly Pear just ahead of us, I believe. Got to get over to the other side where the little bay lagoon is, and there's a huge coral formation in the middle of that bay. I don't know if we'll get out to it today or not, but it is pretty big. All right, so I was wrong. We were not coming up on Prickly Pear. Prickly Pear is still a good ways in front of us, off the coast of, well off the coast of Anguilla. So I'll turn around and show you. You're not going to be able to see much, but I'll show you where that is. It's pretty much straight in front of us out there. That little bit of dry land, pretty much directly ahead of us there. Tango directly in front of us, and the Lambada a little bit in the distance. We've actually been on both of those boats before. We did a dinner cruise on the Tango, and we came here on the Lambada at least a couple of times. And this is what it looks like when you're in the water. Got a lot of snorkelers over here with their noodles. This whole area out here is a reef. Yeah. Still in the bread. And the beer floats, so we're good. Not once it's open, for sure. So there goes the Tango. Doesn't seem to be incredibly packed like I've seen it before. Used to be everyone would go to the island and have lunch on Prickly Pear, but I see almost no one on the beach over there, so I don't know if they do that anymore. Of course, we always came on the Lambada the times that we came before, and we go up on the beach, and there's a building over there that's kind of behind some trees and stuff. You can see the roof. That's where we would go and pick up our lunch, and we'd have lunch on the beach and then swim back out to the boat. But don't really see many people doing that right now, so I'm not sure exactly whether that's still a thing or not. Sorry! It is time for rum punch. All right, so here is the beach at Anguilla.
Thank you so much.
Nice big beach. Got the Lambada and the Tango over there in the distance. So we swam all the way into shore there, and I forgot my camera on the counter. So I've got no video of our first swim into a new nation or country or territory. So, oh well. This is our first time setting foot on the main island of Anguilla. It was pretty cool. It was a longer swim than I thought it would be, but it was fun. So, what you guys might want to see. This is what happens when you leave a camera unattended.
You left your camera unattended.
In the sun.
In the sun, it's gonna get too hot.
Yeah, so we took it out for you.
There's a shot.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Say ciao.
Do you guys want a photo while you're
Guys, subscribe to Maarten Seas Cruise.
And if you ever come to St. Maarten, you want to come and visit Eagle Tours and look for the cruise,
All right. That was
It was a long day.
a long day, probably close to 7 hours on that boat.
I will say that is a smaller boat, and so you are, if you're prone to seasickness, you may get sick because there was quite a few people that got sick.
Quite a few people got sick, so that's something to keep in mind if you're prone to that. Otherwise, it was a great trip.
Oh my God, it
The
was
bartenders
awesome.
were excellent. The food was very good.
It was awesome.
They had snacks in the morning. They had a full lunch with ribs and
Yes,
chicken and
yes.
rice and beans and
It was like
salad.
buffet style. It was really
Yeah.
cool.
Didn't get any pictures of that. And then they had a little dessert in the afternoon on the way back.
And let's not forget that we went to Anguilla and were able
Oh, fun.
to get
Yeah,
on the beach. We
yeah.
swam to the beach and put our feet in. Yeah, it's in another country. Everybody's leaving, you know,
Yep.
it's like one big happy family. So, all right.
So,
Hey,
great
if
time.
you like what you see, make sure you give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Oh, and definitely hit that notification button.
That's right. That way you never miss a new video that we put out. And until next time, guys, from peaks to tides.
We'll see you on the next ride.
Bye.
Rides from peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides. From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides.